So good evening. We will see the hardware components what we have learned in the previous classes, and we will connect the wirings real time, and we will check how these systems are working. So as you are aware, we are working on relay based systems. So this is the relay component. So it's a 8 terminal relay. Okay. This is of 230 volt relay. We have also 24 volt relay. 5 volt relay is there, 12 volt relay is there. So we are going to see one by one. So when you take a relay, we have different terminals. So we will see what are these terminals. You can see in this board, you can see we have 4 pairs of terminals. So these 4 pairs of terminals are used for its purpose. So you can see 2 and 7 where it is given as plus and minus. So this is of a 24 volt relay. So when you have this 2 and 7, this is for the coil to work. So this is for this coil power supply. Okay, when this coil power supply comes, okay, so this arm will be attracted and you will get a contact. So that is what is the purpose of this 24 volt relay. You can see the other terminals. You can see a common terminal, that is 1 and 8 are common terminals. NO and NC terminals are there. NO terminal is 3 and 6, NC terminal is 4 and 5. So these 8 terminals are there in a relay. Some relays may have 5 terminals instead of 8 terminals. So that is also there. That blue color relays you are using for your microcontroller, microprocessor applications, we may have 5 terminals, which means you see this coil supply is always there. So instead of this one pair, this is one pair, this is another one pair. So 3, 1, 4 is one pair, 6, 8, 5 is another pair. You may not have one pair. That we call it as 5-point relay. So you are taking about 3 components, common, NO and NC. So let us see what is NO and NC. So we made a wiring here. So you can see a wiring. So this wiring, you can see 2 lamps are connected with 2 push buttons. So you can see these are the push buttons. So this push button is like what you have in your motor starters in our house, domestic purposes. When you press this, you will get a contact closed. When you release this, the contact is open. So these are the push buttons and lamps used. We are having LED lamps. So what is this normally open and normally closed, that we will see. So what is this normally open and closed, we can see. So a normally open means like our normal switching. Okay, when you have a switch, you don't press that switch, your output lamp or light or fan will not come through. That we call it as normally open. When you press that, your output will come. So that is normally open. Normally open, when we energize, it will become you will get an output. So what is this normally closed? So under normal condition, you don't disturb, your output will be coming. When you press that, when you energize that, your output will go false. That we call it as normally closed. So I have connected these 2 push buttons. One push button is under normally closed condition, another push button is under normally open condition. So you can see I have 2 lamps. So one blue lamp is there, one yellow lamp is there. So you can see while giving power supply itself, the blue lamp is on. Okay. So when we are not doing any on this 2 push buttons, I am not touching these 2 push buttons, but our lamp is on. So this kind of connection we call it as normally closed. Okay. So another one lamp is there which is off. That is like our tube light, that is like our fan or any other thing. So this is off condition. You can see one lamp is on condition, another one is off condition. This On off condition lamp, when I press this switch, you will get the output true. Okay, like normal switching, when I press that switch, your output will come true, and when I release, it will go. Since it's a push button, it's not a switch, it's a push button. Okay, நம்ம press பண்ணும்போது மட்டும் you will get the output. Okay, so this is a normally open circuit, means whenever, however we will not press this switch, our output will not come. When we press, our output will come. So when we energize, our output will come. That we call as normally open connection. Okay, then we have a connection where your blue light is on already, right? So when I press the switch, my light will be going off. Okay, so now under normal condition, the output is coming. Okay, we haven't touched the switch, but when we energize the switch, our output will go false. So that we call it as normally closed condition. I am sure that you might have understood what is normally closed and normally open. Normally open condition, like our fan or lamp, whatever we have in domestic purpose, when we don't press the switch, our output will not come. When we press the switch, our output will come. So the term what we call in automation is energize. When we energize it, our output will come. But here you can see the blue lamp. When we don't touch, when we don't energize, output will be coming. When I energize that switch, when I press that switch, our output will go false. So that we call it as normally closed type of connection. So based on these two only, we can, by understanding these two only, you can go with relay operations. Okay,